Harbor Freight digital multimeter. This one I got for free as a gift when I bought something else. And I tried it out for numerous things, and I have to say it worked pretty good. Especially for someone that just needs a multimeter to check small things. It doesn't need a very expensive one. This one performed pretty good. We're going to do a couple small things with it that do-it-yourselfer would probably do with it if you had purchased one. One thing, it'll check batteries, but we're not going to take a look at that right now. I mainly want to show you checking voltage and checking resistance. Here we're checking voltage in a plug. And you can see we have our 120 volts there. And it's set on AC voltage 200. And you must have all the wires and switches in the right spot. No multimeter likes being hooked up wrong and used to test something that is not hooked up for that. You'll probably blow a fuse or hurt your meter. So we made sure we were on AC voltage and our wires are hooked up right. Black on common, red on volts, amps, and milliamps. And there we have our 120 volts. Here we're going to check the resistance of a furnace pressure switch. Here's our switch, and we're hooked up to it. And we're going to turn the furnace off. Right now there's no pathway through the switch, so we have infinite resistance. And there we go. The switch opened up, it closed, and now we have a pathway through that switch. And when we shut it on, our switch will open up, and now we have infinite resistance and a open switch. Closed. Open. So this gauge does pretty much what a do-it-yourselfer, a beginner, a homeowner, or just to have an extra gauge in your truck, in your toolbox. It performs all the functions that you would want it to do. And it is under $10. So it's definitely a good gauge. You're not going to make a living with it, but it's a good gauge to have laying around. And it performs the functions that do-it-yourselfer would need to do.